Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to unboxing some product I purchased from Amazon.sa. Let's go. This is it from Amazon. Okay, we unboxing immediately. Camera tripod. Okay, let's see what it look like inside. Oh yes, OMG. Oh, I got free holder. I got free extension holder. Okay. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, this is the tripod with bag, with beautiful bag. Okay, let's see how it look like inside. I hope this is very good quality. Maybe. Oh, let's see. Oh my God, this is look very nice. Very nice tripod and very heavy. And with aluminum here, some aluminum. I feel like aluminum, and this all is a plastic. Okay, this is all plastic. This is like rubber here. It's like okay, Allen key here, and adjustment all plastic. Okay, this is it. So we got USB cable, and we got some VIP card and Allen key inside this. This all look like Chinese language here. Okay, we got Allen key, and we get VIP card membership. Wow, impressive. They giving number here, maybe for register or something like that. I think this is warranty card maybe. Okay, nice. Product manual. What kind of brand this one? And what is this? This is the brand from China. This is China language. Okay, and what is this? This is the specification and number, something like that, but I cannot read this because this is all Chinese language. Okay. And then we have Bluetooth here. Wow, this we have Bluetooth remote for capturing or something like that. You can press it here for capturing. I think this one need to charge with USB. Yeah, with this USB they provide the USB for charging the remote. Not bad. Okay, this is smooth. This is smooth move. This is smooth movement. And then we can see in here, you can put it here like this. Okay, small adjustment is here. Okay, we open another one and put here, and we put another one here like this. So this is 1, 2 and 3 angles for the tripod size sitting like this example. Yep. Okay, for middle we found something for hanging, balancing here. Downside we can see this is rubber here. It's strong rubber. It's not bad, it's good. And we can see the angle. We can adjust this more longer, and we clip on like this, and adjustment another one like this, and clip on, and we can adjust another one like this and clip on. This is look nice. Okay, I think this material is aluminum alloy. Yes, aluminum alloy. Okay guys, we continue. So you can adjust this middle to up and down like this. We lose the screw and up until this much higher, and we lock again here. Okay, after that, this is it. This is the position, the higher position of the tripod. This is full assembly of the tripod. So okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below to my video, and see you my next video. Bye bye.